Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Man, do I have a very, very strange one for you. Fresh Beards is back on the channel. I know, itty bitty little pack, right? So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you all about this guy. Alright, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that opening. First of all, I want to apologize for my bald head up here. Forgot to throw on a hat, so hopefully the glare is not too bad. Alright, now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. It's going to be a weird one. I bet you're going to like it, though. So for you first-timers and you long-time guys who have yet to subscribe to the channel, take a look down below. Alright, you're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of today. I can almost guarantee it. Alrighty, guys. As you saw, we're going to take a look at freshbeards.com, their little sample pack. This thing really hooked me when I was looking at it before when I brought that beard butter to the channel. Now, speaking of Fresh Beards and every other beer skin, hair care, whatever review that we've done before, look up top. You're going to see a little card that's going to be there. The one that I'm referring to is the Fresh Beards 1920 Beard Butter. It's their barbershop scent. It is fantastico. Alright, if you're unfamiliar with Fresh Beards, that's okay. I was too. You can find them at www.freshbeards.com. They are made in the USA out of, I hope I'm saying this right, Nunnstown? Yeah, Nunnstown, Pennsylvania. I think I'm saying that right. If not, I'm sure someone's going to correct me in the comment section. Now, they were founded in 2015 by a former Marine. Well, he sold them to the current owners, and what I truly love is they really haven't ruined anything. They have continued the legacy, and they have just been phenomenal about it. Sorry, guys, small distraction was happening off the camera. What I truly love about this company, even though they have like the little male symbol as their logo with a beard, it is a non-sexual marketing company. It's a mom-and-pop operation, and they don't believe in having sex sells. Now, granted, it does, and everybody knows it, but it's nice to see a company that stands on its merits, stands on its values, and stands on its product, instead of, hey, we're not going to tell you everything about this, but look over here, look at this beautiful person right over here, come buy our product. I think that's kind of freaking awesome. I will tell you honestly, when I first started getting these guys, man, I thought they were like this huge, mega, multi-million-dollar corporation. No, they are a small batch company. Like I said, they're a mom-and-pop operation, and man, they keep everything in-house. From like their little marketing, their designs, everything on the packaging. It is just phenomenal what they do. You know, I am in love with this company. I seriously am. I have so many more butters, and I've got 2 oils that are sitting upstairs that I haven't done a review on, but we will be bringing them to the channel. I know. Look, I do a lot of this because if you're unfamiliar with the company, I think a lot of this background info is pretty important. I love the fact that they have all natural ingredients in their products, so I think that's cool. I do. You know, but like I learned from watching some stuff with Johnny Slicks, it just makes me wonder sometimes with companies how much the all-natural really are all-natural, because the federal government, you know, if you're paying them to be certified, allows you to put like 10% non-natural, non-organic ingredients into your products and still call yourself all-natural. Now, that's not a slam on the owners of Fresh Beards, it's just me wondering out loud. So if any of you guys know the answer and you can give me that, leave it down below in the comment section, okay? Like I said, I'm not slamming them, I'm not accusing them, it's just me wondering out loud. I love their mission statement. It's to give beards what they need. High quality, all natural, powerful beard care products. And I will tell you, from using their butter, damn, my beard feels incredible when I had the big man mane. And yeah, look up top. I'm going to stop doing this here in a little bit, but you're going to see a card for rebooting the beard. You're going to understand why I did it. And yeah, the stress patch is still there, but it's filling in a little around the edges. So, hey, I'm okay with that. Now, I do love their values in their company, and they really, really, truly stand by this. And I'll tell you why in a moment. They value, you know, their values are quality, customer care, and generosity. I will tell you honestly, when I ordered this, it said it was delivered, and it wasn't. It was in somebody else's mailbox. Well, I only have so many neighbors that I can talk to, and I'm like, hey, did you see this? Did you see it? Did you see that? Everyone's like, nope, nope, don't catch your product. Nope, nope, nope. So I went, crap. And I emailed Freshbeards. And I went, hey, I know it's just $5 product. Here's my order numbers. Any chance of getting that thing shipped back out again? They responded quick, and they're like, hey, we're seeing a lot of this happening. Could you just give it like another day or two and see if it shows up? So I was like, okay. Well, thankfully, when I went to go check mail the next day, someone was trying to stuff this in an outgoing mail slot. I saw the envelope, and I went, you gotta be kidding me. Pulled it out, took a look, and went, woohoo, it's here. But the fact that they went above and beyond to go, can you give us just a little bit? Yeah, we have no problem doing this. Yeah, we'll take care of that. For a $5 product, you have my business for life. I will continue to use Freshbeard products. I seriously, truly will. I love the fact they have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you ain't happy with the product, they're going to help you out. I love that. The other thing I love, first-time customers on their website. Everybody gets it. So this is not exclusive to my channel. You're going to get 15% off your first purchase by using the code HOMEGROWN, all caps. And I'm going to try to leave that somewhere over here. I'm going to try to leave that somewhere down in the description box as well. So HOMEGROWN, all caps, and you're going to get 15% off your first order. All right, now onto the product. I know, you guys are going, God, man, you just gave us enough, you gave us enough, you gave us enough. So that's what it looks like when you get it. I know you're seeing 3. I've already used one. Because, man, I really wanted to know exactly what that smelled like because I like, you know, tobacco products. And it said Major League. I'm thinking to myself, okay, Major League Baseball. So you can get 4 cents for $5. And shipping's included. So I thought that was phenomenal. Okay? 4 one-time use products. And that's about the size of a little eyedropper. You know, if you put the little thing in, put it in the jar, maybe even a little bit shorter. So this is a one-time use product for $5, and you can try 4 of their sets. Each one of these vials is 1.38 milliliters. You just basically unscrew it. You know, at least for mine, I had to kind of twist it. And once it came open, it's just real easy tapping it into your hand. Now, the other thing I like is they do this at the very bottom. I'll be honest, I didn't notice it at first. Now, it's already been past the 30 days, so that code is not valid. They give you a discount code on the bottom of your sample pack. That, I think, is freaking phenomenal. I'll be honest, I love coffee scents in my beard, and I've got that in their beard butter. So there's the dark roast. I got their Recon, which intrigued me. And their Campfire, which is supposed to smell like campfire, I guess. I don't know. They seemed interesting. So I said, okay, pull the trigger on them. Now, here's the fun part for me, guys. I mean, here it is. Oh, yeah, by the way, if you've never used beard oil before, beard oil, you've got to look at it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. Now, your skin can only produce so much healthy oil in order to keep your hair growing out, keep it growing luscious, avoid the split ends, avoid the dryness, avoid cracking and everything else. So beard oil is kind of like a supplement to get in there. It's more for your skin. You get the amount you need in your hand. Now with these guys, it's just real simple. Tap it all out till it comes out. Rub your hands together so both hands are coated and just start working it into the beard all the way down to the skin. That's the important part. Now I know there's a lot of times you have stuff left over with your hands and I just rub it through the hair. Well, what little I have left. Yeah, so like I said, here's the fun part for me, all right? I know there's not much that I can say about little sample packs other than I think it's awesome that they offer it. That way you can really try it out at a really, really affordable price. You know, if you think about it, 4 one-time use things for $5. Most 1 ounces of beard oil go between 10 and 20 bucks on a norm, so you're getting a great deal. Not to mention you are supporting an awesome organization that just does things, in my opinion, an old-fashioned way that you hardly ever see before. So here we go with the fun part. I want to know your questions, comments, hatred, love, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I really want to know if you've used Freshbeards before. I can tell you I've used their beard butters. I think I've got like 5 of them upstairs, and yeah, you guys hear the cuteness factor over there talking in the background, and the monkey's at the table trying quietly to eat some chips, so you got to give my kids credit on this one. But yeah, I've used a bunch of their butters, and I'm hooked on this company. The way they do things, the way they treat people, and the way they present themselves is just phenomenal. So I want to know, have you used Fresh Beards before? You know, I'd love to know your success stories with them, or maybe even your failures, because I don't see any of those when I do surfing on YouTube and go Fresh Beards. I can get why everyone's ranting and raving and just, 10 thumbs up, 10 thumbs up about Fresh Beards. But now, let's do a little wrap up on this. Okay, guys, so if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much, like I said at the beginning of the video, for watching this video. I know your time is your most important commodity, and I'm very, very thankful you spent some of it with me. Hopefully, I have earned more of your time with this video. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who also didn't do it at the beginning of the video, I believe it's going to be right over there. All right, I think it is, on that side of the screen. You're going to see a big channel symbol pop up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and destroyed subscribe, please go ahead and knock out its little brother right next to it, the bell icon. Why? Well, that's a great question. Because when you click that bell icon, it's going to let you be notified every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up, I believe, on that side of the screen. Now, those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My little review on the Fresh Beards sample pack. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.